Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize live captions, bold text, and text size on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Live Captions in the Hearing section. Now tap on Appearance and then tap on Bold Text. In here you can choose to use the default, turn it on or switch it off. So if we select on, then Bold Text will be used in Live Captions. So here we have the microphone turned on and I will unpause it. And it is now listening, so we can test that this is bold text. I will post it now, and then text size, so you can change the text size. And so here, live captions will adjust to your preferred reading size below. So I'm just going to close this one here and move it out of the way. And here you can change the text size like so, dragging on the slider bar to increase or decrease the text size for your live captions. Or you can tap on Reset Font Size to default. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.